Meaning of hawk.
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 Hawk. The word hawk can have multiple meanings, depending on the context in which it is used. As a noun, it refers to a bird of prey, typically with broad wings and a hooked beak. It can also refer to someone who advocates aggressive or militant policies in political or business matters, often associated with a conservative ideology. As a verb, it means to aggressively promote or sell something. Overall, the word hawk is often associated with aggression, whether in nature or in human endeavors.